Ladies and gentlemen, behold, C₈H₁₀N₄O₂, the elixir of the overworked, aka caffeine. I know what you're thinking. How can a tiny molecule make me a productivity machine? Is this really magic or just chemistry at work? Well, let's break it down. Caffeine has some undeniable perks, like enhancing focus and alertness. Just what you need to power through those late-night work marathons. These effects can help us stay awake for hours. For instance, I've spent over 261 hours on Premiere Pro in 2025, my trusty video editing software. Most of those hours were late at night, and let's be real, the only reason I stayed focused was a cup of coffee. And I'm not alone. Around 70 to 80% of the world's population relies on caffeine in some form. But caffeine isn't always sunshine and productivity. Its effects are a double-edged sword. Let's take a look at what happens when you overdo it. Caffeine overstimulation can lead to some unwelcome side effects. Restlessness. Ever found yourself awake at 2 a.m. wondering why you're still bouncing around? Insomnia. The inability to fall asleep no matter how tired you are thanks to caffeine's impact on your sleep cycle. Headaches and rapid heartbeat. These are classic signs of caffeine overload. Excessive use can even mess with your digestive system, causing discomfort. Mental and psychological effects. But caffeine doesn't just mess with your body, it messes with your mind too. Inability to focus. Ever found yourself staring at your screen but not processing anything? Anxiety. Caffeine is a known trigger for heightened anxiety, especially when you're already stressed. Irritability. The extra caffeine can make you short-tempered and prone to snapping. The worst part? Your brain starts to depend on caffeine just to function, making you feel sluggish without it. This is where the real problem starts. When caffeine becomes a daily necessity, it can interfere with your natural energy rhythms, leaving you with more trouble than you started with. Social and emotional effects. Caffeine also has a huge impact on your social life. If you're overcaffeinated, your ability to read social cues and communicate effectively can take a hit. You might find yourself feeling irritable or jittery in social situations, leading to awkward conversations. Caffeine can cause you to feel socially disconnected, like you've locked off from the world. The benefits of moderation. Caffeine has its perks, when used in moderation. Physical. Caffeine can improve physical performance by stimulating your central nervous system, boosting alertness, and even slightly improving endurance. At the molecular level, it blocks adenosine, the chemical that signals sleep. The result? More energy, less fatigue, plus it gives your metabolism a mild boost, though it's no replacement for actual physical exercise. Mental and emotional. Mentally, caffeine clears brain fog by enhancing dopamine levels, helping you stay focused and sharp. Emotionally, it can lift your mood, giving you the motivation to tackle even the most challenging tasks. Spiritual or psychological. The ritual of brewing coffee can be oddly therapeutic. It's a grounding moment of control in an otherwise chaotic day, offering a psychological boost before the work begins. Social. Finally, caffeine plays a big role in social interactions. Think about it. Coffee is often the reason people meet up. Whether it's a study session or a casual coffee date, caffeine fosters social bonding, providing a comfortable excuse to connect over shared exhaustion. The key to a healthy relationship with caffeine. Assertive skills. When it comes to caffeine, being assertive is crucial. If someone offers you a cup and you've already had your fill, politely decline. A clear, confident, "No thanks, I'm good," is a verbal assertive skill. Non-verbal skills can also come in handy. Just shaking your head or making a gesture to politely decline works just as well. Being assertive helps you protect your well-being by ensuring you don't push your body beyond its limits. And it's a skill you can apply in more areas than just caffeine consumption. When you assert your boundaries, you maintain control over your decisions, especially in situations that could affect your health. Alternative strategies. The real energy boosters. What if I told you that energy doesn't have to come from caffeine? Water. Staying hydrated is a simple yet powerful way to maintain energy without the jitters. Exercise. Physical activity gets your blood pumping, improves mood, and increases your natural energy levels. Sleep. I know, that's crazy. Getting enough rest is the ultimate energy booster. It's when your body recharges and prepares for the next day's challenges. You don't need to rely on caffeine to stay sharp. A solid night's sleep, some quick exercise, or even a power nap can recharge you in ways that caffeine can't. Plus, limiting caffeine after midday helps you avoid those sleepless nights and keeps your body energy cycles intact. Conclusion: a balanced approach. So, what have you learned about caffeine? It's not magic, it's chemistry. It boosts focus and alertness, but it comes with side effects, including sleep disruption, anxiety, and social awkwardness. The key to a healthy relationship with caffeine is balance. Know your limits, use assertive skills to avoid overuse, and explore healthy alternatives like hydration, exercise, and sleep. In the end, caffeine can be a tool, just don't let it control you. Like any powerful substance, it's all about moderation. And when in doubt, remember, even the most powerful energy booster can't replace a good night's sleep.